So let us discuss Amazon Virtual Private Cloud and some of the other terms like subnet, internet gateway, network address translation, NACL, network access control list. So start with VPC. VPC stands for Virtual Private Cloud, which is a dedicated cloud and isolated. So basically this is configured to institution or organization. So whenever the VPC is being going to configured, a CIDR block is going to specify. So CIDR stands for classless interdomain routing. So this is the VPC. It contains number of availability zone like availability zone A, B, C. Then subnet. Subnet is the logical division of IP addresses. The subnet may be a public subnet, the subnet may be a private subnet. VPN stands for Virtual Private Network. So in this diagram we are having private IP, elastic IP, and this is subnet 1, subnet 2, subnet 3. So number of subnets can be created under a VPC, and through internet gateway we can connect the VPC or subnet to the internet. So what is internet gateway? So internet gateway serves as a endpoint that allows to communicate the VPC with the internet. So it is used for two purposes: to provide a target in your VPC route table for internet routable traffic, and to perform network address translation, NAT. So to create or to enable access to or from the internet, create an internet gateway and attach it to the VPC, add a route to the subnet, ensure that instances in the subnet have global unique IP, and ensure that your network access control list, NACL, and security group rule allow it. So we have two status: allow and deny. So NAT is used to create IP for set of IPs. So from a set of IP we can create a single IP. NACL, network access control list. So it is used to define the rules through which the cloud user can interact or connect to other endpoints. So your VPC automatically come with modifiable default network ACL. So generally the VPC comes with default NACL. We can customize it, we can create of our own, associate with the subnet. We can define the NACL rule by specifying the rule number, type, protocol, port range, source, destination, allow or deny.